Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your remote for your Fire TV Cube when only the power button works to turn on and off the TV. Now, to repair or sync your remote back to the TV, I would suggest unplugging the TV from the wall outlet for at least 1 minute and then turn it back on. And then go to your remote and then remove the batteries and then just place them back in. And make sure we have power to our remote. Now, what we want to do is hold down the home button right here. Hold this down for about 10 to 15 seconds, and you'll notice the remote will start blinking orange now, indicating it's in the Bluetooth pairing mode. Just continue to hold this down for about 60 seconds, and you can repeat this process to see if it links or syncs up to the Fire TV Cube. Now, if this doesn't pair up to it, what we could do is reset the remote by holding the back button down, the menu button right here, and then the left dial button. So let's hold all three of these buttons down at the same time. And I'm going to go back to the home screen here where I can see home. Hold this down, and it may scroll on you if your remote is working, but you're going to notice that it's going to go back to the home screen. And after about 15 to 20 seconds, you might have to hold it down a little bit longer because there's not going to be a visual indication if your remote isn't connected. So you can see it just returned to the home screen. So I would suggest maybe hold it down for 30 seconds to make sure that you know that it is reset. Now hold down the home button and try reconnecting this and see if it pairs up back to the TV. Once we're connected again, go on over to settings and then go to controllers and Bluetooth devices right here and select this. Go to Amazon Fire TV remotes, then go to add new remote right here. And then you can select your remote on the top, otherwise place it back into the Bluetooth pairing mode and search for your remote under here. Then once it pops up, select it. And your remote will be completely paired now, and you can use the Alexa button again. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.